Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find my device in Windows 11 or how you can find your device in Windows 11. So this video is going to be pretty straightforward and it's like pretty simple. So you want to go to the bottom, right click on a start and click settings. In a moment when you're gonna do it, you want to go on privacy and security under accessibility. Now when you're going to be here, you want to click find my device, and then you need to have like signed in and have like location settings here and turn it on. So location service, turn it on. And yeah, and then find my device and you see that it's like turned on. So this is pretty much it, how you do it. Thank you very much. Then you're gonna like see all your devices linked to your account, and yep, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.